In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sequences in HubSpot. Let's start right from the beginning. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand panel of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a series of icons representing different tools. Find the sales icon, hover your mouse over it, and from the menu that appears, click on Sequences. This will open a list of all the sequences that are currently available in your account. Take a moment to locate the specific sequence you want to edit. When you hover your cursor over that sequence, you'll see two options appear: Edit and Actions. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will take you into the sequence editor, where you can see each step that makes up your sequence laid out in order. Each step appears as a card. On every card, you'll notice a small pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to open the settings for that particular step. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you can customize several details. You can change who the step is shared with, and you can also move it into a different folder if you're organizing your templates. Within that same pop-up, you'll see fields for the template name, the email subject line, and the email body. These are all editable. When you're working on the email content, you can use rich text formatting tools, such as bold, italics, underline, and clear formatting. These options are usually found at the bottom of the text field, and they help you make your email clearer and more engaging. After making any changes, make sure you click Update Existing Template so your edits are saved and applied to that step. Next to the template options, you'll also see a More Options icon. Clicking this gives you the choice to either replace that email with a different template or clone it. Cloning can be useful if you want to create a similar step with only small adjustments, without rebuilding the entire email from scratch. Not every step in a sequence has to be an email. For example, if you have a delay step, you can click directly on that step and a small panel will open. Here you can adjust the length of the delay to control how long HubSpot waits before moving to the next step. Once you're happy with the timing, click Save. If you want to insert an additional step in between existing ones, look for the plus icon that appears between steps. Click it, and a panel will open where you can choose the type of step to add. You can insert an automated email, a manual email task, a call task, or a general task, depending on how you want your sequence to run. Once you've made your changes and confirmed everything looks right, your edits are complete, and that's it.